Starting a course soon, don't be unprepared.
Here's what you need in your packing list. Pack smart and save this before your course. First, proper footwear. Closed-toe, non-slip shoes are required. No barefoot sailing.
A light waterproof jacket is a must. Quick dry trousers are optional.
For sun protection, pack hat with a strap
Sunglasses with a strap.
and the Resafe sunscreen. Protect yourself.
For clothing, quick dry everything.
Quick dry swimsuits.
Quick dry shorts.
Final essentials.
Don't forget your seasickness pills and any other medication.
Also, your sailing gloves and your headlamp with a red light.
And bring along your reusable water bottle.
Sizes may vary.
And don't forget your logbook, and if you don't have one, you can purchase one at Second Star or through our link in the bio.
Now that you're all packed, we'll see you on the water.